What is up, my babies? Thank you so much for tuning in. In this wig tutorial, I will be showing you guys a little bit of this wig that I'll be rocking, and this wig is from Cynosure Hair. Now, they were kind enough to send me this beautiful Brazilian 220 density, honey. Yes, I said it. 220 density. I have never had a 220 density wig sent my way at all. That's a lot of hair, but let me tell you, when I say I love my hair full, honey, I love it full, I love it thick, I love it, you know, y'all know. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just spray the hair down. In this bottle, it has water and conditioner. I always do this with all of my curly wigs and all of my straight wigs. I kind of want to get the hair wet, so then it makes it easier for me to pluck the unit. I don't like plucking the unit when it's dry. I've learned my lesson that I actually over pluck when the unit is actually dry. So when it's wet, it makes it easier, and I can pluck a lot faster, and I'm able to actually see how the hairline looks. So yeah, I'm just pulling out the baby hair. Now, this wig does come with baby hair, which I think is really nice, especially for ladies who like that. I personally do not care for that because I don't use the baby hair. I usually just like create my own baby hair, if that makes any sense. So I don't ever use the baby hair that comes on it. But to be honest, this wig, the baby hair that's on it looks really natural, and I do love that. Y'all, let me just I have to say something about this wig. It is full, okay? It is so freaking full. I'm like really shook on how full it is. 220 density is out of this world, but you know, for curly hair, I like it full because it looks so much more prettier and natural, and it doesn't look heavy or anything like that. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and just pin this hair back so then I can start plucking. And the way I pluck, I do not stay at one spot at all. I just pluck away. I don't know how to explain this part because I learned from YouTube myself. So this is exactly how I pluck. I'm better at showing hair like this than telling y'all how to do it because I'm not a expert at doing hair. I'm just learning as I go. But yeah, so I'm just plucking like that, and you guys can see as I'm plucking, the hairline is becoming thinner. It's looking a little bit more natural, and that's the route that I want it to go. So I like to pin my hair back, and I clip it back, so then it's not all over my my waist. So then I'm able to pluck, and yeah, so that's what's going on here.
Oh baby, I wanted you to be here inside my arms where the night goes down. Oh baby, I wanted you to be here when the sun comes up and the day goes by.
So now it is time to create the baby hair. Now you guys can see I am taking advantage of the little baby hair. Actually, I thought I wasn't going to, but they were long enough. I usually don't like the baby hair to be super short. So those are actually long enough for me to take advantage of it. So I did, and this is how I create my baby hair. It's so freaking easy, y'all. Like, forehead is really on 10 in this way. Anyways, yeah, so yeah, this is how I create my baby hair. It's really easy. It was quick. I did actually bleach the knots off camera. I totally forgot to tell you guys that. I did that myself, but that's the only thing I did on this wig. Bleach the knots and then customize the hairline, and I loved how it looks now. It looks so realistic. It looks like it's blending into my skin. Please, oh, I'm getting better. I am so getting better at this. But yeah, so this is how I create my baby hair. I just create it with the black Got2b gel, and then I set it with the blow dryer just like so. and it's super easy. You guys have seen me create baby hair a lot of times. If you guys watch my hair tutorials, then you should know this. But now it is time to just lay this wig a little bit flatter and create that hairline too with that hot comb, just to push it down a little bit. And then also I'm gonna take the same bottle that I used in the beginning of the video with water and conditioner. I'm just going to spray the wig down so we can have those curls back, so y'all can see how full this wig is. Okay, this is full, so you don't have to get 220 density. I just wanted to do that so then I can see something different, if that makes any sense. I can test out this hair and all that good stuff. But yeah, this company, when the density comes around, they really do give you what they say, so I do like that. So yeah, so I'm just spraying the hair down and I'm just brushing it all out. And look at the hair. When it is sprayed down, the curls are popping, and when it's not sprayed down, it looks super dry on the on the left side, and then on the right side it looks really defined and all that stuff. Especially when it dries up, it looks amazingly beautiful. So yeah, that is all I'm doing, is just spraying this wig down and like so, and just brushing it out, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick hair tutorial. I will leave all the details to this wig in the description box. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up as usual. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Now Apenda Sana, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.